I will be sewing with an overlock machine, but if you don't have one, you can use a sewing machine with a zigzag stitch. Sew 2 parallel lines along the lower edge of the sleeve using the widest possible stitch length. Pull the 2 threads, either the 2 upper or 2 lower threads of each stitch, to gather the fabric until its length matches the cuff. Tie knots at both ends of the threads to secure the gathers. Pin and sew the shoulder edges of the back and front pieces with the right sides together. Insert a silicone tape into the seam while sewing to prevent stretching. Align the sleeve to the armhole with the right sides together. If the sleeve is larger than the armhole, carefully stretch the armhole. Sew in place. Pin and sew the sleeve and side seams of the front and back pieces together with the right sides together. If you're using a serger, stitch the gathered fabric with a short seam through the 2 gathering lines before sewing the pieces together. This will prevent the gathers from coming undone when the serger trims the fabric. Sew the shorter edges of the cuff together, right sides together, and turn it inside out, wrong side to wrong side. Match the raw edges of the cuff and sleeve with the right sides together. Sew them together, distributing the gathers evenly. Make sure both straight seams on the sleeve are enclosed. Finish the bottom edge of the cardigan by using an overlocker stitch, or fold the bottom edge 1 centimeter to the wrong side and sew it on a sewing machine. Sew the 2 neckband pieces together along the short edge to get 1 long band. Fold the neckband horizontally so the long edges meet with the right sides together. Make a seam at both short edges to secure them. Cut excess. Turn the neckband right side out so it's wrong side to wrong side. Attach the neckband to the neckline and the entire edge of the cardigan, aligning the center seam of the band with the center back. Sew the neckband, leaving 3 centimeters at the bottom from each side. Fold the remaining 3 centimeters of the bottom edge of the cardigan to the right side. Sew a short stitch along the short edge. Turn it inside out, and top stitch the bottom edge with a straight stitch close to the raw edge. Do the final ironing. You are done. Now it's time to conquer the world.